Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the activity tab in Salesforce Lightning. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to start being able to show your activities or the timeline, you will need just to change your display or your regular or default display. To do so, we need just to go to our profile picture here by clicking on here, and basically we go to settings. By going to the settings, we will need just to go to record page settings, and from here we will find the display and layout. You can customize your pages if you would like, but we are interested in record page settings. Here we can see the activity timeline that we need to choose. So we need just to click on save, and now the record page set has been updated. And now all you need to do is to go and start seeing your records so you can be uh, more sure and verify that you have updated your view. So we need just to find any records, and basically uh, and now basically we can choose any record, and from here we can find the details and activities, and as you can see they will become a timeline instead of a table, etc. So now you can start choosing from activities or the display that you would like, and you can also start seeing all the activities by expanding all, for example, and you can find or read all the details about a specific activity if you'd like. And from here, you can find all the informations. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.